A mother bird spread her wings in a desperate attempt to protect her nest as a tractor approached. The bulldozer operator noticed the nest just in time. He backed up his machine and carefully took the bird's nest home to keep it safe.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.